Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I have another story about Anna. In the last episode, Anna went shopping. She bought fresh food. She met Daniel at the supermarket. Today, Anna is taking the bus. Let's begin. It is Monday morning. Anna wakes up early. She gets dressed. She eats a simple breakfast. She drinks a cup of tea. Today, she needs to visit the city center. She decides to take the bus. Anna leaves her apartment. The weather is cool. There are many people on the street. Some are walking to work. Some are riding bicycles. Others are waiting for the bus. Anna walks to the nearest bus stop. She arrives at the bus stop. A few people are already there. A student is reading a book. An old man is looking at his watch. A woman is talking on her phone. Anna checks the bus schedule. Her bus will arrive in 5 minutes. Soon, the bus arrives. The doors open. People get off first. Then everyone gets on. Anna waits politely. When it is her turn, she steps onto the bus. She taps her bus card. The driver smiles. "Good morning." "Good morning," Anna replies. She looks for an empty seat. There is one near the window. She sits down. The bus starts moving. Anna looks outside. She sees tall buildings. She sees small shops. She sees children walking to school. The city is slowly waking up. Everything feels busy, but peaceful. At the next stop, more passengers get on. A young mother enters with a little boy. There are no empty seats. Anna stands up. "You can sit here," she says. The mother smiles warmly. "Thank you very much." "It is very kind of you." Anna smiles back. "You're welcome." The little boy waves at Anna. She waves back. It makes her smile. Small acts of kindness can make someone's day better. A few minutes later, Daniel gets on the bus. He's surprised to see Anna. "Hi, Anna." "What a nice surprise." Anna laughs. "Good morning, Daniel." Daniel sits beside her. They begin talking. Daniel asks, "Where are you going?" "I'm going to the city center," Anna says. "I want to visit a bookstore." Daniel smiles. "I'm going there too." "Really?" "Yes." "Let's go together." During the trip, they practice English. They describe the buildings. They talk about the weather. They ask each other simple questions. Every conversation helps them become more confident. They are not afraid of making mistakes. They know practice is the key to improvement. The bus finally arrives at the city center. Anna and Daniel thank the driver. They get off the bus. The streets are full of people. There are cafes, bookstores, parks, and many interesting places to visit. Anna feels happy. She enjoys using English in real life. Every bus ride, every conversation, and every new place helps her become a better English learner. She knows that learning English is not only about studying, it is also about living. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Do you usually take the bus? Or do you travel another way? Tell us in the comments. Keep practicing your English every day. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.